It started. Call all. चाय भी चलती चलेगी. What is wrong with it? May call others.
ये लोग लेट आए थे अजय, एक दो लोग लेट आए थे.
मैं थोड़ा रिवाइज करूँगा अभी.
You can just give them what you started.
Yes, yes, sure. Pardon?
Are you from Bangalore also?
Not right now. I'm not in Bangalore. I live in Gwalior.
Oh,
Gwalior.
मैं इसी जगह बैठता हूँ.
Archana is also coming now. So before Archana comes, we can just talk about what has been talked. I think you three came little late, no? All three. Yeah. So
I got stuck because the MRT broke down at the Vigo. It was horrible.
okay.
I had to come out and go by bus again, or
My
there was
God.
no cab over there, no cab stand.
I came out at the foot of bus and I booked a cab
Right.
and he came until the point and then he cancelled it. So I had to book it again. So it took a long time.
See, before starting any session, I try to establish the real listener in a person, and that makes the person more attentive. So this is what was being done, and just to summarize, my point was that to whom I am talking. So I gave example of computer, that computer is having a hardware part, its monitor and all, and a software part and electricity part. With these three it starts. If there is a computer, if a laptop in your bag, it's not running because electricity is not on. It has hardware and software in it, but to run, to make it live, you need to connect to the electricity, whether it is already stored in the battery or from the external connection. So this computer has been started, but to work on this, an operator is needed, right? Similarly, if you compare it with the humans, humans do have a body, hardware, which includes cells, muscles, brain and everything, hardware part, and it has an operating system called mind in it installed, and it gets energy through food, sunlight, etc. So this is the machine. But where is the operator who is running the machine? So are we talking to the machine or to the operator? This is the point. Is operator there who knows this is my body, this is my mind, these are my thoughts, these are the viruses have entered in my system through 5 senses. See, virus goes through pen drive, and we do have 5 points where one can insert information. Here you can install the antivirus and check whether viruses are coming or not, and it will remove the viruses. But in our case, through interaction, through seeing, through hearing, through touch, lots of informations are entering into us. And that too without any scanning, without any antivirus. And that results in the viruses, Shadripus, anger, jealousy, and etc. And these viruses make the system slow. It makes the working of the system slow and results in psychosomatic disorders, because we do not know how to remove these viruses, because operator is missing. Or if operator is not missing, if it is awake, if one knows that okay, this is my body, this is my mind, but operator is helpless because it is not trained in yoga. Yoga is the only, Raj Yoga is the only rational scientific method which requires no faith, no belief. As the material science doesn't require any faith. If one has done the experiment, another can also do the experiment, same experiment, if the conditions are same. If I can on this work on this computer, you can also work on this computer. So Raj Yoga is just like that. And Patanjali is considered the scientist of spirituality. So he has devised a path, a system, a methodology. If you learn that, you learn how to run your body, your mind, your prana. So once the operator is established, now the point is, now who is learning and for what you are learning, these two things should be very clear. There are people who learn for the liberation, but you are already liberated. Machine cannot liberate the operator, machine cannot search the operator. If you ask, if I go on putting all the teachings to the computer and say you search your operator, it is useless. You have to give teaching to the operator how to operate the computer. What is happening? Machine is being asked, mind is being asked, even the ego is being asked to search the soul, the Atman, the operator. And it never happens. Machines go on searching. And they do not search in reality. They take joy in that, doing that. They don't search, but they pretend to be searching. If operator is awake, it will identify, it will detect that what the game was going on. If operator is sleeping, it will not realize. Machines may appear very sincere. That's why people with all the marks and the malas and all that they are doing. Some of them are awake operators, but most of them are machines, pretending. So once it is clear, the teaching is to the operator, and for what? It is to learn to operate the body-mind complex, exhaust its whole possibility, then if possible, divinize it. This is the aim of the yoga. That's why it is learned. So we tried to establish this first. This was the whole summary, nutshell. For that we went in detail, but it is in nutshell that first you become aware that okay, this is you and this is your body and mind. So you are liberated. You are not liberated only when you identify yourself with the body and mind. What else the liberation is? But liberation doesn't mean bliss, doesn't mean joy. The moment you know this is your body and mind, your work starts here. Because body will act as on its own. Mind will act on its own. You have only known that this is your computer. but you have not learned to control it or work on it. So, yoga is the method which teaches you now how to work on the body and mind to get the desired results. And once you start doing this, body and mind put resistance. Level 1 resistance, level 2 resistance, but because you are equipped with the knowledge of yoga, you cross it. This is all. Otherwise, if you are not equipped with the technique, you cannot move forward. There might come a problem which you cannot resolve. This is all. I think it is clear. Any point you want to discuss? This is very important. I am again and again I am saying, this is the foundation on which we are going to build the whole castle. Is there any doubt? Any point is there which you feel no, it is not right? You have every liberty to challenge everything taught here. It's not that you will be simply receiving. No, you may raise questions, you may raise doubts. It's okay. What happened? Okay. This is same I was discussing. There are paths of receiving the viruses. So I told you about the 5 paths, but there is one internal also. The memory inputs, free thinking. When we are simply sitting, suppose in a closed room, we are not receiving anything from 5 senses. Even we are sitting with the closed eyes. But something is coming up continuously from the inside, from memory input. And so it's a great loop. It goes on, goes on, goes on. So we are in fact information receiving points all the time. We are being bombarded with the informations. Now with the revolution of information technology, it has become even more. So it has become very dull, no?
The left side can't be seen. Yeah.
Because he changed the lead, no? This is the problem. So here again, it is now very essential to save the human system from the viruses. And the viruses are ego, greed, infatuation, anger, jealousy, pride, desires. These are all viruses. These are prominent viruses. There may be minor viruses also, but these are the prominent viruses. You just think if life would have been more beautiful without them. The creation is very beautiful. But see how the machine has been created that it doesn't look at the stars and the skies. How many of us have really not seen the sky in the night and the stars in the night? Am I right? It's a beautiful thing, always available, but we are not free because of these viruses. We never pay attention to that. They are not allowing us. They are keeping engaged. Machine is always on work, constantly working. Need of antiviruses then? I already told you that there are downloads of free trial versions as well as licensed version of antiviruses are available. Licensed version has facility of getting automatic updates if you are connected to net. That is the Almighty, that is the divine wisdom. If you daily sit in the prayer, I tell you, it's not very necessarily that you do all these things through some particular method. You simply sit. If you simply talk to him or talk to it, it is without gender. Normally we him or she we use. If you talk to the divine wisdom, this is the problem. I am not capable of controlling my mind, my body. These are the problems. I am not capable of controlling, facing these external circumstances. Please guide me, help me, and I am sure you in few days you will be seeing that you are getting automatic updates. You are becoming more capable. Your operating system is being upgraded because you have connected. But if you don't approach, how you can? If you don't put the internet connection on and you go on trying for the download, it won't download, it won't get download. But when you are connected, Ramakrishna Paramahans Thakur used to say that air is always blowing, but it is for you to open your door to receive that air. If you keep closed your windows and door, you won't be receiving the air. Cool breeze is always flowing. Similarly, he said, grace of the Almighty, of the divine wisdom is always flowing. But you have to get connected to it. So upgradation take place. I am trying to connect with the scientific example. That's why I am using. You have a system, but it can be upgraded. It's not that you have been given this system only, this operating system, and it's not functioning properly. It can be upgraded. It can be more smooth one. I think you are having some problem, no, with this. Even I am not able to properly see. This side is not, no?
The right side is starting and left side is blurred.
Left side very blurred. We cannot see.
This is okay.
Yeah, left side is
This side is lighter. It's light itself. Itself is light.
So we are going for this. Yoga practices provide much needed antivirus. I think I have to talk to him now, otherwise. And he will leave it short. Let's go through this. If the operator is imperfect, what is going to happen? Normally, which happens to the people. It allows viruses to enter the system, don't scan pen drive CDs before copying the data. System hangs, result is this, shutdowns abruptly, corrupt the stored data. Scene 1, in the humans, throws stones, shouts on streets, runs without clothes, finally picked and put in the lunatic asylum. Extreme case. Scene 2, suffers from psychosomatic disorders like diabetes, arthritis, and insomnia, hypertension, and all that. These are the results of the imperfect working of the operator. Perfect operator: healthy, positive attitude, loving and caring, concentration and awareness, good memory, pleasing personality, shining face. These are some external or internal symptoms. You can recognize, okay, he is to an extent he is managing. It is only perfect operator level 1, you may say. There may be even the higher levels. But at least this much will be there. He will be healthy at least. He will be having positive attitude towards life. He must be loving and caring. Concentration as well as awareness. Concentration means focusing to one point and forgetting everything else. But no, focusing and at the same time aware about all the surroundings. Okay? Memory will be nice. Personality will be pleasing, shining face, some little bit shining will be there on the face also. Otherwise memory gets affected. In the case of stress, memory gets affected. Now we will come to the